Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I had recently just got this cookbook about top secret recipes from restaurant chains, so I was so curious to have a look. And one of the first ones I came to was about the restaurant chain Buffalo Wild Wings. Now, Buffalo Wild Wings is kind of fun because I used to be really young. When I was young, I was a waiter, and one of our favorite hangouts after waiting tables was going to the BW3s. We would like spend all the tips that we got for the night and just spend it all and go drinking at BW3s and eating chicken wings. BW3s was started by two guys, Jim Disbrow and Scott Lowry. They were at Kent State University craving buffalo wings because it's something that they grew up having and they couldn't find any in that area. Now, Kent State is so special and dear to my heart for special reasons. Well, they decided to open up a buffalo wing shop in Columbus, Ohio, near Ohio State University. When it first started, it wasn't known as BW3s. It was actually called Buffalo Wild Wings and Whack. So yes, it has that BW3 name, and you're probably wondering, why is it called BW3s? There's only two W's, Wild Wings. Well, you know what? Back in the day when they first opened their restaurant, they used to also sell something famous called beef on whack, which was like a roast beef on a roll. And people still call it BW3s, despite it really being BW2s. But what they're most known for is all their specialty sauces that they put on their chicken wings. And you know what? I'm gonna try one of their secret recipes for one of their sauces. Their top two sauces are their spicy garlic sauce and their Caribbean jerk sauce. And you know what? I'm gonna try making the Caribbean jerk sauce, and it contains so many ingredients. Grab a pan, let's fill it up with ingredients. 3 tablespoons of margarine. I know I'll probably get a lot of mean comments about margarine. Well, guess what? I didn't write this recipe. A tablespoon of minced onion, a cup of water, 3/4 cup of ketchup, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, a tablespoon of hot sauce, 2 teaspoons black pepper, 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of parsley flakes, a teaspoon of cornstarch, a little salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, a little shake of clove, a little shake of nutmeg, and the final ingredient is a little shake of allspice. Mix that together, and then once it boils, you're going to bring down the temperature and allow it to simmer a 1/2 hour. I've allowed it to thicken and cool for a little bit. Now I'm going to be pouring this over chicken nuggets, not chicken wings. I gotta tell you, for some reason as an adult, I kind of have lost my love of the wing. I just can't seem to like those bones anymore. So let's pour that sauce all over the top. Let's try this sauce. It is absolutely wonderful. Has a nice little subtle kick at the end, but it's perfect flavors. Thanks, BW3, for creating such wonderful sauces and special memories. I just realized that this video is coming out on Father's Day, and I want to wish all of you a happy Father's Day, and I'd specifically like to wish my wonderful dad a fabulous Father's Day. Love you. Grandma has been staring through the window ever since it started snowing. If it gets any worse, I'll have to let her in.